Meaning of disingenuous.
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 Disingenuous. Disingenuous means not genuinely sincere or truthful. It refers to behavior that is misleading, insincere, or lacking in honesty and integrity. When someone is being disingenuous, they are often pretending to be someone or something they are not, in order to deceive others or gain an advantage. This can include false compliments, feigned interest, or insincere apologies. Disingenuous behavior can be harmful to relationships and can erode trust over time, leading to feelings of betrayal and disappointment. It's important to be honest and straightforward in all interactions to build strong, healthy relationships.